Wouldn't it be nice if we got along great with everyone we work with? But the truth is that's almost never the case. Here are 3 tips for working with someone you absolutely hate. Imagine your coworker is a client. Do your best to compartmentalize your feelings and prevent things from getting personal. Do your best to limit your interaction with your nemesis. But when you do have to collaborate, try killing them with kindness. Be the bigger person no matter how much you'd like to give them a piece of your mind. This next one comes natural to most of us. When the coast is clear and you're sure you're in the presence of friends, let it all out. A passionate venting session can clear your mind and relieve pent-up frustrations. Again, and this is very important, you need to be absolutely positive you're with trusted colleagues when you air out all these grievances. The last thing you want to deal with is a spy in your camp who will rat you out to your rival. This one is delicate, but you need to make sure you're not the problem. Hear me out. Do you really hate your coworker, or do you dislike them because maybe they remind you of a former boss? Maybe you just hate your job and anyone who makes life more difficult for you. Even worse, maybe you're secretly jealous of them and think you deserve their position. It's just worth considering. Don't hate me. How do you deal with tension in the workplace? Drop a comment below and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.